What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lil Ayanda and I'm back with another video. Hey, back with another video. I told y'all I was gonna come back with another video. Y'all just didn't believe me. I don't even know why. So today is all about makeup. I finally purchased some of my makeup stuff, okay, and I'm happy. I'm really happy. So I went to Edgars, as y'all can see, Edgars, and honestly, I don't know why I went to Edgars. I felt like it was good because it has makeup stuff as well, and they're those people that help you with finding out your, what's this called, foundation kind of color, like what kind of color you are on foundation and everything. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I purchased, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna place it down on the table right here so that it can be easier for me to show y'all what I got. Alright. And I should actually get the receipt because I placed it somewhere else. I'm gonna show you guys and tell y'all how much it was actually to crop all this. Okay, so first of all, I got my Calso, that's how you say it, right? Calso color mattifying primer. Here it is. And they told me that I need to buy these because like it's good for your skin, like it moisturizes your skin or something like that. Like it makes the makeup look nicer. I just don't understand what they were saying. And they also told me that it helps with reducing like I don't know, pimples or spots, like dots or something like that. It just makes your skin more mattified. I don't know. So I got this primer, and then obviously I had to get a foundation. This primer was like 50 something rand. Yeah, they told me that it was on special. So I got this City Girl foundation, and it's 30 milliliters. And it's in the color gingerbread, as y'all can see right there. Gingerbread. And they told me this was my color because we were busy like trying to find my color on my hand and everything. So yeah, it wasn't that hectic. It took like a few minutes, can't say seconds. And then I got this also like City Girl foundation stick. The reason why I got this one is in cinnamon. What am I saying? It's in cinnamon. And the reason why I got this one is because I couldn't find the concealer. So I feel like if I got a different shade of foundation and try to like conceal with that, it would do too. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, and I got this. Oh wait, I need to show y'all how much it was. The foundation was 34 rand. I feel like Zuma. The foundation was 44 rand and 95 cents, and the foundation stick was 39 rand 95 cents. If y'all can't see it, I might insert like pictures, but yeah. Then we move on to this lip gloss. Okay, so I was telling y'all about the lip gloss. Here it is. It's pink and I bought it because it looks good though. It looks good. I don't like those like, what's this? What do they call it? Nude kind of colors. But I like popping colors. But I would actually use like nude kind of colors in some events and everything. But this is City Girl once more. And y'all see? I hope y'all can see. It's a 24-hour long lasting lip gloss, and I bought it for 29 rand 95 cents. Hopefully y'all saw that. And I got myself an eyeliner. Brown eyeliner is the best, y'all. So mine look like this. And it's eyeliner and lip liner. Well, it's not really a branded thing. I got it from the what's this called? What do y'all call it? Gas station? Yeah, I got it from there. Then the last thing is a beauty blender. Beauty blenders. Okay, so they didn't have the beauty blenders that are trending right now in Edgars. They were all sold out. Just imagine, and they were $5 each. But then I had to buy this one. The all beauty blenders. I'm sure y'all know them. Don't cap now. Y'all know them. And they like kind of like triangles. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna take out one and show y'all. Yo, you're so stuck together. Why are you stuck together? I'm gonna try. Okay, let me take it all out. It looks like this. And you have to kind of like separate them. How do you do that? I think I need a scissors for this, but I'm gonna try to do it for y'all to see. Yeah, so you know the traditional old style beauty blenders, beauty blenders. So you know, I thought, okay, fine, let me just buy them. You know, I can still buy the trending beauty blenders, but I still need a beauty blender. I still need it, so that's why I bought it. Now it's kind of hard to put it back. So this was 14 rand and 95 cents. Try to put it back now. Going back. Why you not trying to cooperate? Okay, so right there, 14 rand and 95 cents. For how many beauty blenders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 inside, but they kind of triangle and it's old school. So y'all, I'm not yet gonna do this whole makeup thing. I'm still trying to be looking at tutorials and everything because I don't want to look like, yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all my foundation color. So I'm gonna put it on and kind of blend it out with a beauty blender. This is gonna be my first attempt. So I'm looking this side because there's a mirror, and I'm gonna just swoop it on and then blend it. So there we go. Can y'all see that it's kind of like my color? Period. So I'm gonna use, I don't want to mess this sponge up. So I'm gonna use this side to blend it out, just so y'all can see that it's my color. The sponge is now like this, y'all. I'm like, what? White is not a good color, y'all, to be doing with that. I'm not sure if y'all can see that it's my color. Maybe it's not, I don't know. Oh, let me try to see on this mirror. But I think it is, y'all. I think it is my color. So yeah, they told me that this is my color. So I just, I hate dirty things, so now I feel like I should wash it. I don't know, but I'm gonna put it back right in here as my first attempt to kind of do this thing. But yeah, guys, so y'all just need to join me through the journey. I bought all the things. Let me try and see if I can find the receipt for y'all to tell you how much it was. But I feel like I can calculate over hard. Like maybe this was like, let's say 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 150. 150. I'm sure. 150, 60, 70, 80, 180. Nearly 200 for all this. For all this bloody stuff. Make away. I'm so happy, guys, that I purchased my first makeup. Stay crispy. You dig? Hey.